Big news for EV fans! Dongfeng has officially launched its new plug-in hybrid electric vehicle PHEV, and the specs are amazing. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. The Aeolus L8 model, which is powered by the company's Mac electric hybrid system, features a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, an electric motor, and a 30.3 kilowatt lithium iron phosphate battery. These all will take the car output to 355 horsepower. Sounds good, right? But that's not all. The Aeolus L8 comes with two official all-electric driving ranges, a 126 kilometer and a 185 kilometer one, depending on the configuration. Let's take a look at the other specs. In independent testing conducted by the China Automotive Technology and Research Center, or we can call it CADARC, Aeolus L8 got an all-electric range of 248 kilometers and a total driving range of 2,245 kilometers, placing it among the longest-range plug-in hybrids available. Don't forget that the Aeolus L8 is equipped with a fuel efficiency of approximately 41.6 kilometers per liter in CADARC tests. That's not all. The battery also charges from 20% to 80% in around 18 minutes, as it supports 3C fast charging. According to official specifications, the vehicle supports 28 Level 2 Advanced Driver Assistance Systems function, which will give us adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, traffic sign recognition, and parking assistance. These are some of the main reasons why we're not able to get over this new model, and we're certain Aeolus L8 has made its way into your favorites too. Dongfeng plans to launch the Aeolus L8 in international markets, including the Middle East and South America. Originally launched under the Fengshen brand in 2009, the Aeolus division now provides sedans and SUVs too. Judging by the features, does this car seem good to you? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.